Service-oriented project in the community participated in, including advocacy initiative. Head of extension or production, 5 points, maximum of 30 points. Ito yung mga tinatanong nyo kanina nila, Ma'am Rose. Ayan. Participant of extension or production, 2 points, maximum of 30 points. Nagpa-attendance ka lang. Participants, may 2 points ka na, ganun. So, copy of attendance sheet. Kasi kailangan makita yung pangalan mo na nasa attendance ka. Kaya pag nag-extension kayo sa labas, huwag nyo kakalimutan pumirma sa attendance sheet. Or dati online, yung sa Google Form, huwag kalilimutan palagi yun na pumirma ng attendance. Evidence of the role of the faculty, pwedeng copy of appointment or designation as head or participant in the extension. Pwede po kasi yan, isang letter na lang yung appointment niyan eh. Yung nakalagay na doon, eto si head, eto si ganito, eto yung mga members niya. Okay? Then, basta po na-specify doon kung member ka, participants, or ikaw yung head. And then, copy of narrative or terminal report, tatlo lang yan. Ayun po, duly noted by the director/coordinator. Doon na kayo kay director, huwag na kayo kay coordinator. Dahil kayo ang CSO mismo. Yan yung sinasabi ko, naka-slash naman. So sila, hayaan nyo sila na nakapirma ka aseso. Pero sila, yung sa'yo, hayaan mong direktor ang nakapirma. Huwag mo nang palabasin aseso. Ito yung mga extension na sinabi nyo na sayang. Ito yung mga hinaing ng nakararami ng nakaraan na nasayang ang kanilang mga extension services na ubod ng dami. Okay? Tanda, maximum of 30 lang po yan. Pero okay na maglagay ka ng marami. Magko-close naman yung pag na-reach mo na yung 30, automatic na yun. Hindi na siya, kahit anong lagay pang points, hindi na magbibilang yun. Okay, points will be earned for every participation. For every participation. Ito rin tanong kanya, paulit-ulit, isa lang yung extension, pero series yung ginawa. Nakalagay for every participation in outreach or extension activities to the adopted community, local government units, or identified beneficiaries. Kasi sa amin sa COED, may adopt a taker kami. So laging doon bumabalik, doon lagi bumabalik. So yun, 1 point, 2 points ng 2 points yun kapag member ka. Diba? Attend ka lang. Minsan nga, ka lang doon, magpapapicture. Kasi sa sobrang dami nung sumama, may 2 points ka na. Si head, 5 points. These include but are not limited to the transfer of knowledge, skills, and technology, technical survey, advice, advocacy activities, conduct of research related to extension and other activities that are responsive to the needs of the community for people empowerment and self-reliance. The activities conducted by the faculty should be relevant to their field of specialization again and again. No? Sa field. Wala naman tayong problema dyan kasi teacher naman tayo lahat eh. So, lagi naman tayo nakaakma doon. Services rendered as part of the regular function. Ayan, ito yung masakit dyan, di ba? Ayan yung nasa ilalim. Services rendered as part of the function of the faculty's designation will earn points in criterion D indicator 1. However, participation in activities that are within the area of specialization or discipline of the extension head shall be considered. So dito, may points ka lang kapag participants. Pag head ka, wala. So kung ikaw ang CSO at gusto mong pumirma ka rin, sa member ka. Pero kapag ikaw yung head, hindi ka pwede pumirma. Linawin natin yun. Pero wala akong sinasabing ganun. Okay. Pero wala po akong sinasabing ganun. Para wag lang masayang yung points niya. Kasi naka-slash naman yan. Huwag ka na lang kumuha doon sa sa criterion D. Kasi napakaliit lang naman doon at ang hirap pang kunin. Okay. Ito po yung pinakamadali. Pero